In this video, I'll show you how to solve this algebra problem. So in this case, it's just factoring, and we've got two separate examples. So the first one, now we've got x cubed plus 27. Now this may look a little daunting because you may not have seen algebra problems with and factoring problems with higher exponents. But in this case, there's a formula, and through the formula, we can derive our final answer, right? So here's the formula. We've got a cubed. Let's write this a little closer. So a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now this is called sum of cubes formula. Now, in this problem, you obviously don't see b cubed. But really what that is this is your a value, this is your b value. And before we jump into the problem, I'm going to just show you something in case you forget the formula at one point. All you have to remember is one acronym, and this acronym is called SOAP. SOAP. This stands for same, opposite, and then always positive. This is just telling you that when you have a cube equation that you need to factor, and I'll just show an example. So the first number is going to be the same as your original starting. So in this case, you got that's the same. And now from our plus right here, that's opposite. And now the last one is always positive. So even when it's a cubed minus b cubed, it would be same, opposite, always positive. So now let's solve this. So you may see that x is cubed already. So a cubed, so that means a is just equal to x, right? But now the b cubed value, that's 27. And 27, there's no cubed. So we have to find what number cubed itself would equal 27. And that number would be 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 equals, so these 3 times 3 is 9. So times 9 times 3 is 27. 27, so that means our answer would be 3. So b is equal to 3. b equals 3. Now, let's apply this original formula here. So we've got our a and b values. So this is x cubed plus, so x cubed plus 27 is equal to a plus b is x plus 3. Here, let me write this area with more room. So you've got a plus b, so x plus 3, times, what's our a value? That would be x squared, minus ab, it just means a times b, so what's 3 times x? Minus 3x. Now what's b squared? b is 3. 3 times 3 plus 9 is equal to x cubed plus 27. So now this would be your final answer. So that's the first example. Now, second example, you can see that this isn't a cubic factoring. This is just a normal factoring because it's got the singles squared. So the first step when you're solving this type of problem is when you're going to check your coefficient of your highest degree. Now, that would be 5. That's greater than 1. So what we have to do is we have to take our a value and multiply it by our c value. So now this is going to become, this new equation is x squared minus 14x plus 40, right? X squared minus 14x plus 40. And now, let's make something called a cab table. Cab table. Sorry, so this cab table would be CA and then B. This is just saying your C value times your A value should add up to your B value. So what's 40 times 1? 40. So what's two numbers that multiply to 40? Multiply and then add. So multiply to your C value and add to your A value. So you got 40 times 1. That would be 41. Now we have 8. Let's just go off numbering them. So 8, 5, I guess. We've got 13. Now, minus 8 times minus 5. Minus 13. Now we've got 10, 4. 15. Sorry, 14. They add up to 14. Now minus 10 times minus 4. Minus 14. So right here, these are our two numbers. Our two numbers are minus 10, minus 4. Those are our two numbers. Now you have to plug that back in. So now with our given equation, we have to write, we go back, we bring out back the 5. So we've got 5x squared. Now we split up minus 14x. Now we go minus 10x minus 4x plus 8. So now we've got, take out the greatest common factor. So 5x, x minus 2, minus 4, x minus 2, 5x minus 4. So now we just bring these two numbers together. And then since we already have them, we'll just take one of them. So now it's x minus 2. And this would be our final answer. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos. Thank you.